Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna get ready with you guys. It's Saturday night, so I'm gonna go out with my boyfriend and I'm gonna get ready. And I just wanted to show you what I do with my makeup. Sorry if you guys could hear some background noise. My neighbors are having a party, so they're kind of loud. And yeah, so sorry if it gets a little bit crazy out there. First, I'm gonna use this on my lips. Okay, so the first thing is this 24K gold orange oil, and I got it from Walmart. So the brand is Maskology or something like that, and it just has gold things. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on my face. And it smells like what's it called, like orange, kind of, not orange, but like lemon, something like that. So the two primers I'm gonna be using are gonna be these. There's a baby skin for pores, and then instant pore eraser, and then this is a hydrating primer by Tarte. It's base tape. So I'm gonna use these two combined. So I'm gonna use this like just here. For eyebrows, I'm gonna use this $1 Billion Brow. It's a universal brow pencil, and then this Ulta pencil that I got in one of my bags that they give you when you spend like certain amount of money. So yeah, I'm just gonna combine these, and I'll put this like more towards the center, not the center, the right here. I don't really like to do my eyebrows super dark. Sometimes they do come out dark, but I don't really like them super dark. I like a more like a natural color. I'll take this and just do the end, like the rest of the eyebrow. Same thing. I don't really spend a lot of time on my eyebrows. There's people that take days with their eyebrows. I don't know, it's because probably mine are pretty full, or I don't know what it is, but I don't like to spend a lot of time on my eyebrows. They came out a little bit dark than what I like. I'm just gonna clean them up with the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I got a really light shade, so I use this as like my eye primer or to clean up my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna use it for both today. You just gotta work with it fast because I think it dries kind of fast. So yeah, let me just clean them up a little bit. It's super white, like why would I even think this is my shade? Like, I mean, it's cool that we want to brighten our under eyes, but not this much. It's like painting. It's like, if you want to do a look for Halloween, like, why not use this one? It's perfect. Why didn't I think of that? I didn't even dress up for Halloween this year, though. Let me just buff it out with this. For some reason, I've been having trouble to get all the way to like right here with my primers, with my eyeshadows. I don't know why. I think I never had that problem before. And now I'm having the problem for some reason. This is as good as it's gonna get, so I'm just gonna move on. So the palette I'm gonna be using is gonna be this one. This is the Novel Natural, I don't know how to pronounce it. Naturals 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette by BH Cosmetics. I've had this palette for a while and I keep forgetting to reach for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this one. I don't know what I'm doing, but let's do something with it. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just putting some shadows on my lids. Do you guys hear all the noise? Okay, so I'm just setting it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this color right here all over the lid. Ooh. So now I'm just gonna go to a smaller brush. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take this color right here and a little bit of this color, and I'll just put it in the outer color. I mean, outer part of my eye. But yeah, I'm gonna get that color and just put it all over my lid. See what happens. See if I like it. Yeah, it will look nice. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend the outer colors. Just kind of blend them so they could look nice together. We'll come back for the rest of my eyes right now. Let me just finish my taco. Okay, so now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. You know what? First I'm gonna put this liner. Kinda don't like to do wing liners, but I'll do a really small one. That was fun. I did a line on my eye and it was just there. Like, that was funny. That was crazy. That was weird. I probably don't like to do liner because I don't know. Nope. Una parece china y la otra parece japonesa. Just kidding. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I was just clean up that and I'm just gonna leave it like that. Because man, I suck. It's better. So now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. So this mascara I got from Shop Miss A and I got it a while ago, so I don't know if it's still available there, but it's really good. Like, when you take it off, it's so nice. It's a 2-in-1 mascara by the brand Amuse. So it's step 1 and then step 2, and yeah, I really like this mascara. So this is just one coat, and I'm just gonna mix. I'm just gonna mix this Tarte, the Big Ego Tarte mascara. I don't really put lashes on, just because I don't know how, and that's something doesn't really call my attention much. I do have lashes. I have like 20 pairs for no reason because I don't use them, but I mean, just in case I have like a event going on, I'll just put them on. But I'm not a lash girl. Like, I rather do just my natural lashes before they fall. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so now for foundation, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation, and then it also has sunscreen, but I mean, it's dark right now, so you know. And then I'm just gonna mix it with this Revlon Candid photography photo Photo Ready Candid. I don't know. In the shade 150, and then this is in the shade 18. And I'm just gonna mix. I keep saying miss for some reason. So I'm just gonna mix these because this one's kind of dark for me, and then this one's a little bit light for me. And sorry, I'm just looking at the viewfinder. I'm just looking at myself. A lot of foundation. I don't know why. I just don't. Because after I just mix those two on my face, I'm just gonna go in with the blender and start blending my foundation. I just really got this, so I'm excited to use this. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid concealer. It's in the shade 001. I got the banana, I think it's called. Banana, yeah. Hope it's not too white or too yellow. I just hope it's perfect. And I just put it all over my T-zone and my under eyes. Mis ojeras, cause man, I'm not been sleeping that good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender. So what do you guys think? And I'll be setting it with the AOA Studio Perfect setting powder in the shade Soft Light. I also got this on my Shop Miss 8 haul. If you guys haven't watched it, it's in my videos. So yeah, if you guys haven't watched the video, like I also did like a full face of Shop Miss A products. And yeah, it came out pretty cool. Like I really like the foundation. I don't wear it as often, but when I do, oh my god, it looks so nice on the skin. And actually I feel like the foundation, they don't have it no more, and it was a pretty good one. I think they changed, unless they changed the formula to the other one, to the new one that they have. Okay, so I'm just gonna set that and set a little bit where my contour is gonna go and my highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using this to bronze my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with this brush. This is also from Shop Miss A, and I've had it for probably a year or more, and they still work pretty good. Oh, my back hurts. Oh yeah, this is the palette I'm using. Cover FX. For blush, I'm using this. I'm gonna use this one. I think I'm just gonna mix it with the one from what's it called? Cover FX palette. Okay, so that's all the blush I'm gonna wear. I don't really like to wear a lot of blush. So now for highlight, use these three right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with this little brush, and I'm just gonna go in with this one right here, and I'm just gonna go a little bit under my eyes. So I think that's everything for the eyes and face. I just need my lips, right? Oh, you know what I'm missing? I'm missing a little bit of mascara under my eyes. I better use a mirror for this. I think I'm just gonna go in with some gloss. I don't really like glosses much, but To be honest, I don't even know how to pair this. And then my lips are super dried, so maybe that looks better. Okay, so this is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty long. And I mean, this is how the makeup came out. Yeah, that's everything I have for you guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please thumbs it up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.